have to really say that this bag is absolutely beautiful. This is my first So Black Chanel bag, and I have to say it's beyond my expectations. It is so beautiful, so chic, and honestly, I feel like it's a lot dressier than what I thought it would be. The all black makes it look so classy, and a little understated. Since I've decided to definitely keep this bag, it's not going back, I'm gonna start taking off all of the plastic on it. I have to cut that one off. This is so beautiful. Look at that. It's black. I absolutely adore this bag. So guys, this is the Chanel So Black Trendy. It is made of lambskin leather, super soft. You can like just look at it, it looks so buttery soft, and it actually feels that way also. I feel like if you guys can get your hands on this bag, you should get it. You will absolutely love it. The leather on it is so soft and smooth, buttery finish. It's so nice and puffy. It's just unbelievable. I think it's worth every penny that I paid for it. If you guys want to find out any more information on it, please feel free to ask me. I decided to go with the So Black because I actually currently do have a Trendy with gold, and it's black. It was a used bag that I bought, so feeling a brand new Chanel Trendy, it feels so much better. The previous bag that I have, I don't think the owner before me took care of it, so it had a lot of loving before I got it. But I'm just so happy that I'm able to buy a brand new Trendy right now, especially in this color. It is just absolutely stunning. I'm just so surprised with the versatility that this bag possesses. I feel like you can dress it up, dress it down, wear jeans and sneakers with it, and also take it out to a dinner date, even a wedding. It's so like, it looks understated, but you know it's a Chanel just by looking at it. Yeah, I absolutely love it. It's definitely a bag that I feel like I'm going to keep for years to come. This is never getting out of my collection, so I plan to never sell this bag. I'm just so obsessed and so in love with it. Thank you guys. I'll probably post some mod shots of it on just so you guys can see how the length is, and also like how to wear it crossbody, because this bag does go crossbody, but it's a little bit short. It goes right under your breast. Okay, guys, I wanted to share with you just what the two trendies that I have, what they look like. This is the So Black that I just bought, and this is the gold hardware that I have. This bag I've had for a little while. I've had it for about 4 years. When I purchased it, it was pre-loved, but you know, I do absolutely love it. It has wear like on the bottom, and actually too, the leather from it being conditioned, I've been kind of seeing, so the previous owner, they had conditioned the bag, and it kind of looked like a brown black, like from different angles, if you can see that on here. I don't know how to get rid of that, but you know, it does bother me a little bit, but not too much. But as you can see though, it's in very nice condition still. And this is my new bag. This is the So Black. I'm gonna just show you guys a little bit what's on the inside. So I'm holding my camera up with one hand and trying to do this with the other. Hopefully I can do that for you. So yeah, like in here, I do have to get that off, but it's black. And this is what's different to me. Let's see. On this one, it just has, oh wait, now I understand. This one has like a toggle, like that. And the new bag has one of these. So this is what I found different with the two bags. If anybody has a Trendy, let me know. If your bag is a little bit older, if you have the toggle that goes like this compared to the new style. So this is what it looks like inside. It has 3 compartments. Guys, this is so hard to do with one hand. It has 3 compartments. It has a zipper right here. And then it also has a back compartment with a an area, like a slot here that you can put. Let me take this out. Sorry, guys. Where you can put your phone or let's see if we can get it. It's like just a slot. And then this one has the zipper. And this is made in Italy. And since this is a newer bag, it has the new tag. So it doesn't come with an authenticity card. So that's it. This is the new. And the older style. So I do have some stuffing inside. Oh, and that's another thing. Is that on here? This one doesn't have the CC on it. Okay, so that's a different, yeah, this one doesn't have it on here. I wish if it did, because I did really like that. But the only bad thing about this, as you can see here on the leather, it like has an indent. So you have to put something here to protect it. And then also this one has the burgundy lining. And you know, maybe the CCs is different for like the medium size. If you guys know, please let me know. But I will do a little bit of research into that also to see if that's how they're making the new bags now, or if it's just because this is a bigger size. All right, guys. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. I also, before I leave here, I wanted to share with you guys the SKU. It's a 22B collection and S2. I guess I don't understand what the S2 is, but yeah, this is the SKU for it, if anybody's interested in buying it. But I would definitely highly recommend this bag. It's absolutely beautiful. You will love it. All right, guys, you guys take care, and thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day wherever you are, and peace and love. Take care. Bye.